Hello, it's Jane. We're back with another episode of C. Jane Drive Results. We're here for C. Jane Eat, and today I am eating some Cook Unity. It's another Cook Unity review. Today we're having a special treat. I haven't had this yet. It is Enot Admoni's duck confit and orange coconut sauce. This was a premium entree. I sprung for the premium entree this week because I happen to have a little bit of a discount, so what better time? And also, I happen to really like duck. I've had duck before recently, and I wanted to see how a pre-prepared duck was. The duck I had before, we roasted it in the oven in some butter and some cherry sauce, and it was really tasty. But this duck, it was made by a chef. I wanted to give it a try. So I used the chef's instructions, which were to preheat the oven to 350, remove the sleeve and film, and heat for 12 to 15 minutes. I actually had to heat it for 25 minutes because when I tested it at 15 minutes, it wasn't done. So, here we go. Let's give it a try. I sliced into the duck and it was really tender. It came with broccoli and it looks like maybe some sweet potatoes. It's very tender. It is fatty. It's a good texture, a good moisture. I wish that it had crispy skin on it. That would be nice, but instead it has this orange sauce. For me, I don't love the orange sauce. It's okay. But the duck is very juicy and very good. I really enjoy this. This is great. I would totally get this again because I wouldn't necessarily roast myself a duck leg myself. You can get them frozen at like Bristol Farms, which is an overpriced grocery store here in Southern California. And for about $9, you can get 2 duck legs at Bristol Farms frozen, which is a pretty good value. But as far as the amount of effort it would take, I think that to make these sides and roast this duck leg, I would rather have the professional chef do it for me. I mean, it's nice to be able to eat duck outside of a restaurant. Normally you have to order the whole duck or just really plan to go out for a duck and bring friends with you. So this is quite good. Let me try the broccoli. The broccoli is roasted. It's good. And those sweet potatoes are also just roasted. It's really nice. You know, I would give this like a 9 out of 10, and I would say definitely repeat again. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.